Good morning, teacher. My name is Aura Clemencia Neira. Voy a hacer la presentación de mi HUD. Mi city. I live in Bogota City, capital of Colombia. Current approximate population. According to the 2018 census, there are 7,150,000 population. Urban area. Urban 307.36. Suburban 170.45. Rural 1,290.50. Average climate. Because of its high altitude, Bogota has a mountain climate. Due to its low latitude, it has a low thermal oscillate throughout the year. The temperature regular oscillate between 5 and 9 degrees Celsius, with an annual average of 13 degrees Celsius. Current situation natural resource. Rivers. Bogotá acts the waters. River Salitre, River Trucha, River Tunjuelo, River Toca, River Bogotá, River Juan Amarillo, River La Conejera, Jaboquet, and Tintal. Bogotá is considered by the ONU as an example of a modern city since poor and rich people can access housing, health, and recreation. Current situation of education. In Bogotá, there are 2,242 educational institutions. 386 of them are distrital, 10 special, and 1,846 privates. The city acts and education system had covered the elementary, secondary, and university levels. Due to the constant migration of people to the capital of the country, the availability of quotas to access the education offered by the station is often insufficient. Concurrent is urbanization and commerce situation. The segment of shopping center showed a remarkable dynamic, driven by the increase in the construction of modern and innovation projects. Bogotá is not the exception as since it is the Colombia capital. It gardens more than 70 places of this type, which daily seek to innovate and after the capitals. Santa Fe, de nuestro centro comercial, uno de nuestros centros comerciales. Current situation and entertainment situation in your city. Bogotá has designated campaigns aimed at citizens to the reason crime rise in the city. Bogotá presents a low level of insecurity compared to the other capitals of Latin America. Places like Kennedy, Bosa, Ciudad Bolívar, and Martínez are the sectors where there are high figures of violence. Your personal perception on migration. Bogotá has the large numbers of displaced people who had arrived in Bogotá. According to the Consulting for Human Rights Codex in the periods 1999-2005, more than 260,000 displaced persons arriving in Bogotá, approximately 3.8% of the total population of Bogotá. The localidades where the majority of the population is concentrated displaced are Ciudad Bolívar, Kennedy, Bosa y Usme. Bogotá, on the famous arrived Latin American capital to investing. Bogotá ranking system among 50 cities in Latin America for its stars in quality of life, its potential for doing business, and excellent conditions for professional development. According to the ranking established by American Economic Intelligence, the Corferias Exhibition Center is the venue for cultural events. Bogotá is home to the largest buildings in the country, along with the Colpatria building, de Bogotá. Thank you.